Hi everybody, it's Stephen Aitchison here. Just want to do a quick 2-minute chart for Verasity. Okay, first of all, we're going to look at the daily chart for Verasity, and the first thing we're going to take a look at is the 70 EMA crossing over the 21 EMA, which is what I like to use. There's a 21 EMA, and we've got the 7 EMA as well. This is a short-term kind of look. Crossed over there, and if you got in there, that would have been a fantastic time to get in, because it went up a 2000% rise. The fundamentals look amazing for Verasity. I'm invested myself, so just quick heads up there as well. So we've seen the 7 EMA cross down over the 21 EMA, and that crossed over at 4.1 cents. That's when we should have been thinking about getting out, and I was looking at round about the 3.5 cent level to get in, and the 2 and 2.7 cent level round about now to get in as well. So I've been getting in these levels. However, it does look as if it's going to go down further with the market conditions being what they are just now, especially with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll look at the support levels. So we've got support here, previous support at 2.1 cents. It was previous resistance, and it was a strong previous resistance on the daily. So the stronger the resistance before, the stronger the support should be around about this level as well. So 2.1 should be a strong support for Verasity. If it does break that, it looks as if it could go down lower to 1.5 cents, and that was a previously strong support as well for it. In the short term, I see this could go down to 2.1 cents. If it breaks 2.1 cents, it's going down to possibly 1.5 cents. However, if it does start bouncing and the whole market starts bouncing from here, we're going to see Verasity reach its all-time high, possibly get a triple top here, come down a wee bit, and then shoot and break through that 5 cent level on the way up to 10 cents. Long-term Verasity fundamentals are fantastic. But that's your 2-minute traffic light chart. Okay, until next time, namaste. Take care. Bye now.